I've been to some of the harshest places on Earth, and let me tell you, your current pantry probably won't cut it when disaster strikes. People stock up on snacks and sugary cereals, thinking they're ready, but that illusion crumbles fast in a real crisis. Forget the expensive pre-made kits and freeze-dried meals. They're heavy, costly, and often useless without power or clean water. True survival is about time-tested basics, not flashy gear. You only need 5 essential foods to survive long-term, cheaper, smarter, and more reliable than anything else. Pay attention, because these 5 foods could one day save your life. The first essential in any long-term survival plan is white rice, truly the bedrock of preparedness. For centuries, civilizations have relied on rice as a staple, and for good reason. It's affordable, widely available, and forms the backbone of countless meals around the world. Unlike brown rice, which contains oils that can go rancid, white rice can last for decades if you store it properly. That means you can buy in bulk without worrying about spoilage, making it a smart investment for your pantry. White rice is calorie-dense, providing the energy you need to get through tough times. It's also incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for stews, stir-fries, or even sweet dishes. It stretches other foods further, helping you make the most of whatever ingredients you have on hand. For maximum shelf life, store your rice in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. This keeps out air and moisture, which are the enemies of long-term food storage. Once sealed, place the bags in sturdy, food-grade buckets to protect against pests and physical damage. A single 5-gallon bucket can hold over 56,000 calories, enough to sustain an adult for weeks. That's energy security, all in a compact, stackable container that fits easily in most homes. When you see those buckets lined up in your pantry, it's not just food you're looking at, it's peace of mind. You know you're ready for whatever comes your way, whether it's a natural disaster, job loss, or unexpected emergency. In a crisis, having a reliable supply of rice means you can focus on your family's safety and well-being instead of worrying about your next meal. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. Forget the latest trendy grains or expensive superfoods. White rice is your cornerstone. It's proven, it's practical, and it's trusted by millions worldwide. Take the time to learn proper storage techniques, invest a little money up front, and you'll gain decades of food security. Buying in bulk saves money, and storing it right ensures nothing goes to waste. Stack those buckets in a closet, under a bed, or anywhere you have extra space. Rice storage is flexible and can fit into almost any living situation, from apartments to rural homes. If you're serious about preparedness, start with rice. Label your buckets, keep them organized, and rotate your stock to ensure freshness. It's efficient, it's reliable, and it works. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment every time you see your shelves stocked and ready. Get your rice, store it right, and you're well on your way to true self-reliance and lasting peace of mind. Next up, protein. When it comes to building a resilient food supply, protein is absolutely essential. It's the building block for muscle, energy, and overall health, especially when times get tough. Dried beans are your best bet. They're affordable, widely available, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Beans last for decades when stored like rice. Mylar bags, oxygen absorbers, sealed buckets. This method keeps out moisture, pests, and light, preserving their nutrition and flavor for years. Mix up your beans, pinto, black, kidney, navy, for variety and nutrition. Each type brings its own unique taste, texture, and nutrient profile, so you'll never get bored. Beans and rice together form a complete protein, giving you all the essential amino acids your body needs. This classic pairing is a nutritional powerhouse, relied on by cultures around the world. In a crisis, variety keeps morale up, and food fatigue at bay. Experiment with different recipes, soups, stews, salads, and even bean burgers to keep meals interesting and satisfying. Learn efficient cooking methods. Pressure cookers or thermos cooking save fuel and time. Soaking beans overnight can also cut down on cooking time and make them easier to digest. Lentils and split peas cook even faster, so add them to your stockpile. They're perfect for quick meals and require less fuel, making them ideal for emergencies. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, and minerals, fuel for strength and health. They help regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and keep you feeling full longer. Label everything clearly for easy access when stress is high. Knowing exactly what you have and when it was stored helps you rotate your stock and avoid waste. Buy in bulk, store a mix, and know your prep methods. The more you practice cooking with beans now, the easier it'll be when you need them most. With beans and rice, you have a robust, complete, and long-lasting food system. This combo can sustain you for months, providing balanced nutrition and endless meal options. This combo has sustained civilizations for centuries. From ancient times to today, beans and rice have been a staple for a reason. They work. Don't overlook it. Make beans your second survival staple. They're reliable, nutritious, and easy to store, making them a cornerstone of any emergency pantry. Stock up, store smart, and you're ready for the long haul. With a well-planned bean supply, you'll have peace of mind and the nutrition you need, no matter what comes your way. Survival isn't just about dinner. How you start your day matters. Rolled oats are your third essential slow-release energy, fiber, and versatility. Skip the instant packets. Buy pure rolled oats in bulk. Store them like rice and beans for decades of shelf life. Oats make a hearty breakfast, can be ground into flour or used to thicken stews. A hot bowl of oatmeal is a morale booster and keeps you full for hours. Oats are space efficient and expand when cooked, maximizing your storage. Avoid sugary, processed oatmeal. Stick to the basics. Practice cooking oats now so you're ready when it counts. Add oats to your core stockpile and you'll have reliable, sustaining breakfasts. A solid breakfast sets the tone for survival. With oats, you start every day fueled and focused. Don't skip this step. Oats are a survival essential. Carbs and protein are covered, but you need fat, your body's high-octane fuel. Peanut butter is the answer. Calorie-dense, shelf-stable, and packed with nutrients. Choose classic, homogenized peanut butter in plastic jars for the best shelf life. Store it in a cool, dark place and rotate your stock. Powdered peanut butter lasts even longer. Add both for flexibility. Peanut butter is quick, no-cook energy, and a huge morale booster. It's not just a treat, it's a tactical necessity for brain function and endurance. Don't neglect fat in your stockpile. A low-fat diet leads to fatigue and poor health. Stock up on peanut butter, store it right, and keep your internal engine running. It's the simplest way to add essential fat, protein, and comfort to your survival plan. Make peanut butter your fourth must-have. The final essential on our list isn't technically a food, but it's absolutely critical for survival. Without it, not only would your body begin to fail, but your entire food supply would be at risk. We're talking about salt, the humble mineral that's been a cornerstone of human civilization for thousands of years. Salt is vital for hydration, nerve function, and muscle health. When you sweat, you lose salt, and without replenishing it, your body can't maintain the balance of fluids it needs. It's essential for transmitting nerve impulses and for your muscles to contract and relax properly. Even mild salt deficiency can lead to fatigue, cramps, and confusion. Beyond its role in the body, salt is the world's oldest and most reliable preservative. For centuries, people have used it to cure meat, brine vegetables, and keep food safe from spoilage. In a world without refrigeration, salt is what stands between you and hunger during lean times. Salt also transforms bland survival food into something you'll actually want to eat. It enhances flavor, making simple meals more enjoyable and boosting morale when times are tough. A sprinkle of salt can turn a pot of beans or oats from dull to delicious. When it comes to storage, non-iodized salt is your best bet. It never spoils or loses potency, so you can buy it in bulk and store it for years. Just make sure to keep it dry, as moisture is its only real enemy. Use sturdy buckets or airtight containers to protect your salt from humidity and accidental spills. This simple step ensures your supply stays fresh and usable no matter what. Salt is incredibly cheap, stable, and invaluable. Don't settle for a small shaker. Stockpile pounds, not ounces. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to strengthen your food security. In a crisis, salt becomes more than just a seasoning. It's a powerful barter item, valued for its many uses. You can trade it for other essentials, making it a form of currency when supplies run low. Take the time now to learn how to use salt for food preservation. Practice salt-curing meats and pickling vegetables so you're ready when you need these skills most. The more you know, the more resilient your food system becomes. Salt ties your entire food system together. It keeps you healthy, preserves your harvest, and makes every meal more satisfying. With salt, you can stretch your food supply further and enjoy greater variety. Don't overlook this simple mineral. Salt is truly the glue that holds your survival pantry together. It's easy to store, endlessly useful, and absolutely essential. With rice, beans, oats, peanut butter, and salt, you have a complete, resilient food supply that covers all your nutritional bases and can withstand the test of time. These 5 essentials provide the calories, protein, healthy fats, and minerals your body needs for strength, energy, and mental clarity, no matter what challenges you face. This is your foundation for survival and peace of mind. Everything else you add is a bonus, but these basics are non-negotiable. Secure your salt, and you'll have taken a crucial step toward a complete, reliable survival plan, one that can sustain you and your loved ones through any storm. That's it. Rice, beans, oats, peanut butter, and salt. Simple, unglamorous, but the truth of real preparedness. Don't waste money on fancy kits. These 5 staples are your lifeline. Start small, build your stockpile, and gain peace of mind. What essentials do you keep? Share your strategy in the comments. Stay prepared and stay safe.